Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible Z06 3LZ Z07 package. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. It's got the large Wicker Bill style spoiler on the back. Looks awesome. In the trunk, here's the trunk for you. It's got a 12-volt socket and a light over there. We've got the partition that's hiding the top, which is tucked away inside right now. It's got a car cover that comes with it, and some goodies. So we've got the charger there, some, not sure what those are, but those are there, and license plate bracket and some carbon fiber pieces. I believe those are extra pieces for the front lip spoiler, so those are there as well. And then we've got storage down here, and there's the oil filler tube that's in there. We've got the netting here on the back, and let's close the trunk. So it's got soft close there. We'll just step from the back. We've got the quad NPP exhaust. It's got the GM X-Pipe GM Performance exhaust with NPP. So there's the trumpets there, they look great. We've got the clear LED tail lights on the back, and we'll just swing around this side here. There's your black wheel with the carbon ceramic brakes with the Brembo carbon ceramic brake logoed caliper in gray. Looks great. And the Pilot Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on there. Looks great. There's your exposed carbon fiber side skirt there. And here's your passenger door. So we've got the nice baseball stitching on the leather. We've got power windows, power locks, and power door release as well with the Bose stereo. Here's your kick plate, and it's in great shape as you can see. And here's your passenger seat. So it's got the competition seats with the baseball stitching on it. And as you can see, it's in great shape. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Let's have a look in the glove box. So we've got the books. The books are here. We've got heated and cooled seats for the passenger here, temperature for the passenger here. Have a look at the dash. It's in really good shape. With the 3LZ, you get the Alcantara finish that goes up here, as well as on the visors. We'll just hop out, and we'll close this one up and go down the side. So there's a lot of 3M on this car, so it is well protected. Let's see, there's some down here, and some of the mirrors. So the mirrors are protected, and the front fenders, hood, and bumper are covered as well in 3M. So there's the Z06 Supercharged logo, and then here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice gray painted Brembo calipers with the carbon ceramic brakes. Look at the size of that rotor in there, just massive. So under the hood, there's your 6.2 liter V8 650 horsepower supercharged engine paired to the 7-speed manual transmission, and as you can see, it's very clean underneath. So we'll go ahead and close that. We'll have a look from the front. So there's your exposed carbon fiber chin spoiler down at the bottom. Looks great. And we've got the front curb view cameras on this one. We've got the projector HID headlights, and then the carbon flash metallic insert on the scoop. So again, it's got 3M on the front, so we'll polish it and bring it to a shine, or if you like, it may be able to be removed. So we can discuss that as we move forward. And then we've got the black badge package on this one as well. Looks great. So on this side, there's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice carbon ceramic brakes with the Michelin tires and the great painted calipers. And same thing back here. Looks awesome. All right, so at the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, memory seating, memory exit, power door popper there, and then again, the Bose stereo with the nice baseball stitching along the door. And there's your kick plate on this side. Some minor scratching, but that is what it's there for, so it is working. And here's the driver's seat, so you can see the condition. As you can see, it's in great shape, looks good. And then down on the side, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, and power lumbar and side bolster adjustment. So let's hop in. As we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So it does have a short shifter in it as well. So that's really nice. It's a GM short shifter. There it is. We've got 3,442 kilometers on it, so nice and low. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. On this side, we've got cruise control. We've got favorites or track change for the radio. You've got your volume on this side. You've got your buttons that work the screen here. So if we hit right, we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav options. And then down here, here's your heads up display. There's your power top button. Here's your mirror control. So the heads up display, I'm not sure if you can see that, but let's try here. Yep, so there it is. So there's your heads up display, and you can change and put different information on that, and you can also move the position as well. So that's there. There's your push button start, behind screen storage with USB for your phone. We'll go put the screen back up. Let's see, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got full factory navigation on it. We'll hit home. PDR, so performance data recorder, very cool. If we go over, there's your front cameras. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And traffic apps, My Chevrolet. And then down below here, we've got cooled seats, heated seats, and then the controls for the passenger here, as well as on that side as well, and dual zone climate control. So if I turn this is my temperature here, that's their temperature control over there. And here's your Z06 badging, 650 horse, and there's your nice short shifter. So it is a very short throw, very nice. And then here's your mode selector. So as we turn the mode selector, we've got touring, eco, we've got weather, or back to track, and the exhaust note changes when we have it on track as well. There's your electronic parking brake, cup holders, 12-volt socket, and in here you have another 12-volt socket, USB and line in as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll put the top up so I can show you the operation. So that piece moves back, and up goes the top. Perfect, so there's the top up, put the windows up, and we'll hop out and have a look while it's running. Have a listen. Great sounding machine. Oh, turn the lights off, so I'll turn the lights back on so you can see them. There it is. Looks sharp with the lights on. And we'll just go down this side. Nice dark tinted windows. Listen to that chug. Sounds awesome. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, Z07, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.